Pizza Company here in Corona. We've got a Hawaiian pizza, extra cheese pizza, 2 pieces of chicken there. We've got our Pepsi's there, and I've got spinach and cheese coming. Oh, my spinach and cheese has just arrived. It's baked. I'm really looking forward to getting into that, because every time I come to Thailand I always have to have this. It's my favourite dish at the pizza company. Okay, time to eat, guys. I'll catch you all later. Ciao.